Let's go over how to upload your videos to Dropbox. Before uploading, you can choose to trim your video so only a portion of it is published. Move these sliders to where you want your video to start and end. If you want to publish the entire video, make sure the sliders are at the start and end of your video. When you're ready to upload your finished video, select this icon to display all of your upload options. Next, select Dropbox. If this is your first upload, you will be prompted to add your account. Grant our app access to upload to your Dropbox account. When you're finished, you will see the publishing options for your upload to Dropbox. Click on Account to add another account or switch between accounts. Click on Name to change the title of your video. Click Folder to browse your Dropbox folder options and select the appropriate folder. If you want Dropbox to create a link to share this upload, you can choose that here. Finally, you can increase or decrease the quality of the video, which can help speed up the upload process. When you're ready to go, click Publish. After your video is uploaded, you can copy a link to it or use these quick share buttons to easily share your video to sites like Facebook or Twitter. You can also find these links again by clicking the Publish History icon. This shows a history of all the publishing you've done from your current computer. For more tutorials, visit our website.